In last 2-3 months, some companies have started to cut costs, which means layoffs have started not just in IT but in some other non-IT sectors or some non-IT roles as well. In this video, we are going to talk about that. Is it a temporary phenomenon? Is it going to carry forward in 2022? So very important video, guys. Stick to this video till the end. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. There are 11,500 plus people subscribed to this channel. Today in the morning, I created a LinkedIn post. If you have not followed me on LinkedIn, please do so. That LinkedIn post tells you why there might be trouble ahead. There are strong indications that there may be an economic slowdown, approaching in very near future. Y Combinator, which is a startup fund, which is backing a lot of founders, has indicated that there is trouble ahead. Similarly, multilateral agencies like International Monetary Fund, IMF, and World Bank have indicated that the top economies may have a slowdown. Nasdaq is also down since January 2022. And top companies like Meta and Netflix are trending down. There are some other tech giants as well who are trending downwards. So in a nutshell, the problem is not very specific to startups. Startups may struggle more because they are backed by investment, and not necessarily every startup is profitable when you join. They take years of time to establish their business and to become profitable. So while a year ago the trend was that a lot of people from IT giants were leaving IT giants and joining startup, now there are indications that the tide is turning and people are opting out of startups and trying to join IT giants back. So this is a trend which will be there, but I want to tell you certain things which you should observe in your company. Doesn't matter whether you work for a giant or a startup. Look at your company's business, because that is what is a primary indicator of how well the company is doing. Is the business growing? Is the business not growing? Is the company profitable? Is the company not profitable? Within the company, the department or the BU for which you work for, is it growing or not growing? Is it making profit or loss? These are some important aspects that you need to be aware of. These are the red flags which you might see on the way. So you are able to better prepare for future. Then you should also look at your own performance, what kind of ratings you have got in the past. If you have got consistently bad ratings, then it is a indicator that you might be in trouble in near future if the business is not growing, right? Also, another indicator is, have you been on the pool for a very long time? So each company has a pool policy. Some of them have 60 days, 45 days, 90 days, etc. Pool policy, when you can be on the bench and look forward for different projects. But if you have consumed most part of that pool policy, then there are chances that you might be in trouble. So in the recent past, we have seen people get 3x, 4x salary hikes. There still are offers of 2 times, 3 times, 4 times of your current salary in the market. But be very cautious before you take such offer, because a lot of factors are indicating that the economy may not be that great. If the economy is not that great, investment will not be there. Companies will kind of take their step back in terms of doing IT projects, or they will be very cautious of where they want to invest money. So all these factors, when they come into play, people who have high cost, low performance, who are not flexible in learning new things, are generally the people who are in trouble. So be very careful with that. The purpose of this video is not to create insecurity within you. The purpose of this video is that you understand your current situation, you understand which department or which company you're working for, how is the business growing. If it is a startup, is it really making good products or services or solutions which the consumers are liking it? Are the number of consumers increasing? Are the number of orders, are they increasing? Is there a really growth that you can see? So observe all these parameters very critically, before you make any big decision or before you jump on a job offer. Just be very cautious about the entire scenario. Again, these tides come and go. Recession will come and go, boom will come and go. These things have happened in the past, these things will happen again. what you need to do and what is in your control is to learn the solid skills, is to learn futuristic skills, is to become expert in one or two areas. That is what you can control. You can't control global markets, right? And you can be very sensible while making some of these job change or transitions. Be very sensible, informed about what is happening around you so that you make good decisions. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Do follow me on LinkedIn and YouTube. Let me know if you have thoughts or questions in comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.